At Blachere, environmentally friendly design, energy saving and recycling have always been our priorities. Sustainable innovation drives us. After pioneering Bioprint, a biodegradable plastic crafted from sugarcane, and Recyprint, manufactured from recycled plastic bottles, we are proud to introduce FLEXIPRINT. To create FLEXIPRINT, we repurpose plastic waste from industrial production. Through our patented printing processes, this waste is transformed into a flexible, slightly elastic, colourful mesh that is, of course, 100% recyclable. FLEXIPRINT is designed to withstand shocks and UV rays and is highly adaptable to fulfill different design criteria and creative visions. It embodies our commitment to eco-friendly design and brings the boldest concepts to life. Thanks to FLEXIPRINT and all our ongoing commitment to innovation, we are rising to new heights and trailblazing a path to a sustainable, responsible future. We are Blachere. We have been creating decorative illuminations for more than 50 years now with passion and care.